Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be organizing my linen closet. You guys, it is so bad, it's so embarrassing. So I don't know if I'm the only one who does this, but when I know that I'm going to be like organizing something, when I'm planning to organize or like clean out a room or a closet or something, I just lose like all motivation to keep that space organized for a couple weeks. And usually I get to projects pretty quickly, but I don't know what it is with this linen closet. It's just been like so intimidating to me, and I've just kind of let it go for the past couple months, and it's so bad. And every time I put something away, I just kind of throw it in there and I'm like, whatever, I'm gonna be organizing this soon anyway. So it's so embarrassing, so I'll show you guys in a minute. But basically we have this huge closet off of our kitchen, and it's not just a linen closet, that's what I'm calling it. It's actually the only closet in our whole house that has a door on it, I guess. And it's just this huge closet. It's really wide, it's really deep, and it stores like all of our linens, but then it also stores like quite a bit of random stuff, so I need to go through it. I'm planning on throwing a ton of stuff out or just like donating a ton of stuff, and then I'm just gonna try to use baskets and bins and stuff that I already have. I'm not sure if I'll need to go out and get anything new. I'm hoping that I won't, but yeah, I will show you guys the closet because it's so embarrassing. Okay, so this is the closet door. It's this beautiful barn door that my dad and my husband made. It's so hard to get a good angle of though because I'm standing in our bathroom now, and that's like the only way you can really see it, which is such a shame because it's so beautiful. But this is what the closet looks like. Oh my gosh, so bad. I did not like tidy anything. I thought about it. It's a disaster. This is like a laundry clothes hanger because we don't have a dryer. Not sure why it's like falling out of the closet. These two bins are toiletries that I actually have gone through recently. And then this is like linens here mixed with dog treats, and then more linens. Oh my gosh, it's just so bad. So my plan for the closet and the way that I always organize everything is that I take every single thing out of the closet. So I'm gonna be taking it all out and putting it all on my kitchen table if it even fits. But yeah, every single thing always comes out. I swear by cleaning things that way, it's the only way that you can really know that you're actually getting through everything. And then I'm gonna go through all the things. I'm gonna get rid of a lot of stuff. I'll get a couple garbage bags and have like a donate bag and a throwaway bag. And then I'll just clean out the closet and like vacuum, wipe down the shelves and stuff, and then everything will go back in. Okay, so it's all empty, super dirty. I'm gonna clean it out, but the shelves are empty. Like, why is there dirt all over it? I don't know. Okay, so up here at the very top, I have just a picnic basket. It's empty. And then I have a couple of these like black mesh containers. The first one right here just has like a little bit of first aid stuff, like band-aids and stuff like that. And then the next one there has a whole bunch of vases, which you can see. We like to entertain and like have parties and stuff, so I'm not ready to get rid of that stuff. I probably won't. And then beside that is like birthday type stuff. It's also just like more party stuff. Like you can see some straws sticking out there. And then I have some like gift bags and tissue paper and stuff. And then so right here, these two gray bins. One of them has our extra pillowcases in it. And then the other one is like miscellaneous linens. So we have some like placemats and some cloth napkins and stuff. And then this wicker basket is the rest of my toiletries, so I have like an extra thing of conditioner. Our bathroom is really little, so this is just stuff that doesn't get used on a daily basis that we still need, but I just don't want it to be in the bathroom. And then we have our iron, which is like 30 years old. And then I have my rack with nail polishes. I got rid of like more than half of my nail polish. And then here I have these 3 baskets, and these all just have linens in them. So this is like face cloths and hand towels. This is extra sheets. And then this is towels. And then here I have these wooden bins, and this one has like gardening stuff. I have some like extra potting mix, all of my extra seeds. This is board games. And then that blue one, I'll probably switch out the blue basket for something more neutral because everything else in this closet is neutral. It has fake flowers in it. I'm not sure if I'll keep those in here or if I'll keep them at all. I just wasn't quite ready to get rid of those. And then this kind of sticks out awkwardly, but this is our drying rack and it just needs to like stay in here. At the bottom here is basically like extra Costco stuff. So we have our toilet paper. I'll probably eventually get a bigger basket for toilet paper because I usually buy toilet paper from Costco, so we have like a ton. And then I have an extra roll of garbage bags back there. And then this basket is just like extra Costco food stuff. Our pantry is really tiny. I do have a whole pantry organizational video if you want to see our pantry, but this stuff was in the pantry and I can make it fit. It just makes it really messy. So I'm going to try keeping it over here. And then the last thing here is just some extra shopping bags. And then there's a cooler bag over there also. I didn't have to buy any new baskets. These were all baskets we had in our house. A lot of them were already in this closet, and then a couple of them were just not being used.